Hey, in this video we're going to be installing the BillieBars Molle Panel on my 2021 Jeep Gladiator Mojave. Let's go ahead and get started. Hey YouTube, this is Robert from Sherburne Outdoors doing a bunch of work to the 2021 Jeep Gladiator Mojave. You remember a couple videos back I actually installed the BillieBars for my rooftop tent. And now I'm getting ready to put the Molly panels that attach to these brackets. I went ahead and installed them up front onto both sides. This allows us to carry some gas cans as well as some other clip-on like running boards as well. So and max tracks. Let's go ahead and get started with the install on this. I'm going to go ahead, just because we're just going to bolt this up. It's pretty simple. Let me just put this on a time lapse and we'll go ahead and get it done. Alright, this is the final result and it looks fabulous. Looks really good, just like the BillieBars products. This is just really well built. Got your Mollie panel holes. One thing I like is I can still, the bar that goes across, I can still get in here and tighten it and remove it. So I did this on both sides as well. And it is just industrial strength. You see the BillieBars etching. These guys really go the extra mile for how it's powder coated and everything. Oh, it just looks so good. It's actually given me the opportunity. Now, I don't have the crossbars in, and I can actually use this as a truck bed now if I want to. This is something I've been looking at for a while. So I'll go ahead and put the crossbars back in, but this is the final product. These are about $210 a piece. Without shipping, you can get them on BillieBars.com. And if you don't know how to spell BillieBars, there you go, B-I-L-L-I-E bars. So great products, great company to work with. Really enjoy their stuff. Look for more BillieBars stuff to come on the Gladiator as we move this along. Hey, thank you for your time. Hey, if you like this kind of content, go ahead and click that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click that bell to be notified of new content. Thanks, everyone.